How much should you actually spend on a trampoline sprinkler? You see some for under $20 and others that are twice as much. But here's the thing, price doesn't always reflect quality. Let's figure out which ones are actually worth your money and will keep your kids cool this summer. Product number 1, BOBOR Trampoline Sprinkler. First up is the BOBOR Trampoline Sprinkler. Priced at $19.99, this one caught my eye because of its impressive 39-foot length and solid 4.1-star rating from over 13,600 reviews. If you want a fun way to beat the heat this summer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The BOBOR sprinkler is designed to lower the trampoline surface temperature by around 25 degrees, which is perfect for those scorching summer days. It's easy to install and fits most trampoline sizes, connecting directly to your garden hose. Plus, the fact that the hose is mounted outside means your kids won't accidentally grab it while jumping. Many parents rave about how quickly their kids set it up and start having fun. 3,000 plus units sold in just the last month say a lot about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the durability of the connections. Here's the thing though, if you're careful during setup and storage, it should hold up just fine. Just make sure you're not too rough with it and you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that offers plenty of fun. Skip this one if you need something super heavy-duty or plan on leaving it out during harsh weather. Now, if the BOBOR's durability concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Jasonwell Trampoline Sprinkler. Next up is the Jasonwell Trampoline Sprinkler, available for $17.58. With a higher 4.4-star rating from 1,600 reviews, this product promises not to disappoint. If you want a durable option that adds a splash of fun, this one should be on your radar. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Jasonwell sprinkler is made from a material that's 300% thicker than most competitors, meaning it's less likely to pop and can withstand rough play. It's also kink-resistant, which is a huge plus. You won't have to constantly adjust the angle every few minutes as your kids bounce around. Plus, it lowers the trampoline temperature up to 25 degrees, making it a great choice for outdoor summer parties. Now, some users mention that it can be tricky to attach correctly. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the setup becomes pretty straightforward. Just give yourself a moment to figure it out, and it should deliver a great experience. This is perfect for you if you want something that's built to last and will keep the kids entertained for hours. Skip this one if you're looking for something super easy to set up without any learning curve. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for versatility. Product number 3, Vantic Trampoline Sprinkler. The third product is the Vantic Trampoline Sprinkler, priced at $27.99. I was drawn in by its unique 360-degree rotating feature and 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews. If you want something that offers more dynamic water coverage, this might be the one for you. So what's the big deal? The Vantic sprinkler is designed to fit all sizes of trampolines and comes with 12 built-in spray holes that deliver a wider range of water coverage. That means your kids get the ultimate splash zone experience. It's made from durable materials that resist leaks and ensure a secure connection to your garden hose. Plus, it's mounted outside the trampoline net, keeping it safe from little hands while they jump. However, some users reported that it might not work well under low water pressure. Here's the thing though, most households will have sufficient pressure for it to function effectively. If you live in an area with really low pressure, that could be a deal breaker, but for most families, it should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want maximum fun and coverage for your kids while they jump. Skip this one if you know you have low water pressure in your area. Now, if you're looking for a complete trampoline setup with a built-in sprinkler, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Joyberry Trampoline. Coming in at number 4 is the Joyberry Trampoline, priced at $242.23. This isn't just a sprinkler, it's a full trampoline package that includes an integrated sprinkler and LED lights. With a solid 4.4-star rating and over 1,200 reviews, this one is a game changer if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. What makes it special? It includes a rust-proof frame and a strong safety net to prevent accidents. The added LED lights and sprinkler make it a fantastic choice for nighttime fun and those hot summer days. Plus, it can support up to 450 pounds, making it suitable for the whole family. On the downside, it's definitely on the pricier side, and some users felt it could be a bit cumbersome to assemble. But honestly, if you're investing in a trampoline that will last for years and keep your kids entertained, the value might very well be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive trampoline solution that offers safety and fun. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or looking for a simple sprinkler. Now, if you're after something that's fun for kids but doesn't require a full trampoline setup, the last product might be just what you need. Product number 5, VIP AMZ Sprinkler. Finally, we have the VIP AMZ Sprinkler, which retails for $16.79. With a 4.2-star rating from 1,900 reviews, this is a great budget-friendly option for summer fun. If you want a simple, effective outdoor toy for kids, this is worth considering. It's designed to entertain kids all summer long, and it's safe for pets too. Plus, it has 2 different spray heads for different watering purposes, which is a nice bonus. However, some parents mention that it requires a bit of manual setup, like adjusting the hose for optimal spray. Honestly, that's a small trade-off for a product that keeps kids happy and cool during hot weather. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quick and affordable way to add some fun to your backyard. Skip this one if you need something specifically designed for trampolines or more durable materials. That was a solid lineup of options. So to wrap things up, we've got the budget-friendly BOBOR, the durable Jasonwell, the versatile Vantic, the all-in-one Joyberry, and the easy-to-install VIP AMZ. Each has its strengths, so consider your needs and budget. No matter which you choose, your kids are sure to have a blast this summer.